First things first, to appreciate your support. Now, this is how a sealed drum looks like. Before that, please subscribe. This is what keeps me going. You need more content? Please subscribe, like, and share. Anyway, let's get into it. I won't mention brands, but most of these high-end washing machines have sealed drum, and they are very durable. But as I've said, you can have a very good quality machine, but if you overload or using it daily, then you'll have issues with bearings. This is a sealed drum, completely sealed. It's glued. So when you get a problem with the bearings, like the machine is making noise when spinning, very unfortunate, because you might end up buying a new brand. And in my region, some of these high-end machines have no spare parts. There's no service center that offers spare parts for these machines. You will end up disposing a good machine because of bearings. Can you imagine spending a lot of money on a quality machine, over 100K, and then just after 6 months or a year, the machine breaks down, bearings are gone. What do? You'll have to purchase a complete drum. Like this one here, a complete drum should be imported. Approximately 30 to 40K, around 45K, I mean. That's a lot of money. That's a lot. It's like purchasing another new machine. So this is what I've insisted on. We don't force you. It's your money, it's your decision. Look for a machine. Ask them. Ask the seller, is this machine sealed or not? The drum. Is the drum sealed or not? If the drum is sealed, hey, run. A sealed drum, look, you'll have to cut this drum open to access the bearings. After cutting the drum, you've replaced the bearings, then what next? How do you seal back the drum? Some people do this. I know of people who seal these drums, but they don't last. Maximum you can get is 6 months. Not worth it. We have good local brands. We have good high quality brands as well. Some international brands that have bolts that hold the drum together. Go for a drum that is not sealed and you won't regret. Don't look at the, yes, you have to look at the capacity. Yes, that's very important, but don't ignore this. Always ask about the drum. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I'm out. I'll be back with more details, more tips on all brands. I've worked on several brands, so this is just a glimpse of the brands I've worked on. That's a Samsung, that's a Yaya. We have a Von over there. We have a Ramtoms over here. And so many other machines. I've dismantled so many machines. So, hey, subscribe. You won't go wrong with this channel. I love you guys and I'm out.